So this door jamb's seen better days. It's all wallered out. Can't seem to get nothing in it no more. It was pretty much like this when we moved in, but we've been dealing with it for the last 10 years. So I decided to see if I might be able to fix it. I don't really know how. I ain't no carpenter, but I'm gonna give it a try. So what I did is I started ripping it out there. I'm gonna pull it all the way down to there, and then put a sticker, like just a regular sticker off the pallet. Pull the nails out, cut it to size, and I cut that space out, put this in, put some long ass screws in it and see how it works. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so I got that piece cut out. I need to clean it up a little bit, and I'm going to have to measure this out to see what we're going to need the other piece to be, and then I'll have to rip this piece of sticker out to measurement and then get her in. So that is about 1 5/8 and about 1 1/2. Yep, 1 5/8 by 1 1/2. Alright, there we go. Now I want to get where the deadbolt and the lock come in right there. I'm going to get that marked out so I know where my cut's going to be. So really all I got to do is mark it up here and then mark it down here. And then match it up. And then I can get cut out. We'll see if it works out like that. So I got that piece that I ripped, put in there. I'm gonna drill out where I'm gonna screw in, so I don't want it to split the wood. I also wanted to give the bolt a little extra something to grab onto, so I'm going to glue and nail this piece in there before I get it cut out for the holes for the bolt, so we can get a little reinforcement right there. Alright, there we go. I'm going to do a little 3/8 for the head of the screw. Kind of going in at an angle because the door's a little smaller on that side, and I don't want the screw going through. Looking like shit. Alright. I'm using Gorilla wood glue and some regular nails on that. I won't be able to record that because I only got 2 hands. So I got it all glued and clamped, and I'm gonna put some nails in it too. But I put that first nail in, and it kind of started to split a little bit, so I'm gonna be safe. And I'm gonna go ahead and drill out my next nail holes. I don't want to drill where I'm gonna ship. I don't want to drill where the bolt's gonna go. So let's see.
Mode on your phone.
They're all plugged in. I'm just getting the holes all chiseled out, dialed in, and after that was getting the hardware put back on, and we'll be good to go. Alright, got it all dialed in. Got my holes all chiseled out and reinforced, made it a little bit thicker. Some nails through there, glued on, nailed on. Definitely not a professional job. I've definitely never done this before, but I don't see any reason why you couldn't just do this with any part of the door jamb. You need to. I gotta get this trim fixed though. So yeah, there it is there. There we go. Get it done. That one works.